Welcome dear students for demo lecture 1 part 2 of mathematics. In our previous demo lecture part 1 we have seen set, representation of set in roster or tabular form and in set builder form, and its examples we have seen. Now we'll see the second example, the set of all odd natural numbers. So this set we can write in set builder form as set of x such that x equals to twice of n minus 1, where n belongs to set of natural numbers. See student, twice n means it is the even number, and from even number if you subtract 1, so we are getting again odd even because it is odd even. So from even if you subtract, we'll get an odd number. Similarly, if you want to write twice n plus 1, so that time you cannot write n belongs to set of natural numbers. There you have to represent n belongs to whole numbers. So if we'll put n equal to 0, you will get the first odd natural number. If we'll put n equals to 1, you will get 3 as a second odd natural number. Here also if we will put n equals to 1, so 2 into 1 is 2, 2 minus 1 is 1. Similarly you will get the remaining odd natural numbers. Understood? Now the third example, set of all even integers whose cube is an even integer. Now we know that the cube of an even integers is also an even integer. Okay, hence the required set is the set of all even integers which can also be written in the set builder form as twice n such that n belongs to n for positive even integers. If you will write 2 cube, it will be 8, then 3 cube, it will be 27, but for minus 3 it will be minus 27. So for positive even integers you will write twice n such that n belongs to set of natural numbers, and for all integers you can take this n from set of integers. Okay, so here the answer is set of twice n such that n belongs to set of integers. Understood? Now the fourth one, set of all reciprocals of natural numbers. Here we know that the natural numbers are starting from 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. So its reciprocals will be 1, 1 by 2, 1 by 3, 1 by 4 and so on. So we'll write this x such that x is equal to 1 upon n, where n belongs to set of natural numbers. Understood? Now the next example, write the set of all real numbers which cannot be written as the quotient of two integers in the set builder form. Now we know that the real numbers which cannot be written as the quotient of two integers, that real numbers are irrational numbers. So we can write this as all the rational numbers are expressible as the quotient of two integers. Therefore the required set is the set of all irrational numbers which can be written as set of x such that x belongs to the real numbers and x does not belong to rationals. Means we can write this set as set of x such that x is real and irrational. Understood? We have seen already the examples of roster form, that is tabular form, and set builder form. Now we'll see the second type, in which we'll see the examples on describing a set in roster form when it is given in a set builder form. Okay, now the first one, set of x such that x is a positive integer and a divisor of 9. So x can take values 1, 3 and 9 because the positive integer, that is positive integer means it is the natural number only, and we know that the divisors of 9 are 1, 3 and 9 itself. We can take plus minus 1, plus minus 3 and plus minus 9, but we need positive integers, so we'll not take negative 1, so it will be plus 1, plus 3 and plus 9. So the required set will be 1, 3 and 9. Understood? Now the second example, set of x such that x is an integer and mod x is less equal to 2. Here x is an integer satisfying the condition mod x less equal to 2. We know that mod x is always non-negative, so for mod x less equal to 2, the values are 0, 1 and 2. So the possible values for mod x as a 0, 1, 2 for x is x can be 0 plus minus 1 plus minus 2. For this value we are getting mod x as a 0, 1, 2 because mod 0 is 0, mod of plus 1 is 1, mod of minus 1 is 1, mod of plus 2 is 2 and mod of minus 2 is 2. So for these all values for x we are getting mod x less than 2. Understood? So the required set is minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2. So this set will contain 5 elements. Understood? Now the third question, set of x such that x is a letter of the word proportion. Now we know that students that we are not repeating the members of the set, that is the element of the set. So P came twice, R came twice and O came thrice. So we'll not repeat this. So it will be P, R, O, then next T, I and N. So the 6 elements will be there only. It is the required set for this set builder form. The required roasted form is there. Okay. Now the next fourth example, here the set builder form we have to convert in a roster form. So the set is set of x such that x is equal to n upon n square plus 1 and 1 less equal to n less equal to 3 where n is natural number. So the natural number n can take the values 1, 2 and 3. So in our solution we'll take x equals to n upon n square plus 1 for n equals to 1, 2 and 3. Now we'll take the value of x for n equal to 1. So x will be 1 upon 1 square plus 1, that will be 1 upon 1 square is 1, 1 upon 1 plus 1, that is 1 upon 2. Understood? So for n equals to 1 we are getting x as a 1 by 2. Now for n equals to 2 we'll get x equals to 2 upon 2 square plus 1 equals to 2 upon 2 square is 4. So 4 plus 1 that is 5. So we are getting 2 upon 5. So we have for n equals to 2 x equals to 2 upon 5. Now for n equals to 3 we have x equals to 3 upon 3 square plus 1. So it will be equal to 3 upon 9 plus 1. 9 is 3 square. So it will be 3 upon 10. So for n equal to 3 we got x equals to 3 by 10. So the required set will be 1 by 2, 2 upon 5 and 3 by 10. The set will take only 3 values or only 3 elements, that is 1 by 2, 2 by 5 and 3 by 10. Understood? Now the fifth question is, write the set of all vowels which precede S. Now we know that there are 5 vowels A, E, I, O, U. But before S we have only 4 vowels, that are A, E, I, O. So our required set is A, E, I, O. Understood? Now the sixth example, write the set A where set A is set of x such that x belongs to Z, that is x is an integer and x square less than 20 in a roster form. Now students, x is an integer means x will take value 0 plus minus 1 plus minus 2 plus minus 3 plus minus 4 and so on. But for x as a 0 plus minus 1 plus minus 2 plus minus 3 plus minus 4 we have x square 0, 1, 4, 9, 16. Now if we'll take 5 plus minus 5 we'll get 25 and it will not satisfy the condition. So we'll take x square till 16 and for x square till 16 we have these x values. Understood? So our required set is A equals to 0, minus 1 plus 1, minus 2, 2, minus 3, 3, minus 4 and 4. Understood? Now the seventh question, write the set A where set A is set of x such that x is an integer and x square minus 9 equal to 0 in roster form. Now we have x square minus 9 equal to 0. So x square is plus 9. We have shifted this 9 minus 9 to the right side. So it will be plus. So x square equals to 9. Now for x equals to plus minus 3, we are getting its square as a 9, and both 3 and minus 3 belong to set of integers. So the set A in the tabular form, it will be 3. It will have 3 and minus 3 as its elements. Understood? Now we'll see the third type, in which examples on describing a set in set builder form when it is given in roster form. The first example, write the set. The set will contain the elements 1 by 2, 2 by 3, 3 by 4, 4 by 5, 5 by 6, 6 by 7 and 7 by 8. Now this set we have to write in the set builder form. Now students, here we observe for the first element the numerator is 1, then the denominator is 2. The same denominator for the numerator for the next element. Now it is for all the elements. Here 1, 2, 2 by 3, 3 by 4, 4 by 5 and like this till 7 by 8. Now clearly this 1 is from natural numbers, so we can write this set as set of x such that x belongs to n. Now clearly we can have 1 plus 1 upon 1 plus 1. So we can split this 2 as a 1 plus 1. Okay, 1 plus 1. Now 1 plus 1 is 2. Now here we can split this 3 as a 2 plus 1. Okay, 4 as a 3 plus 1, 5 as a 4 plus 1. So we can have x as n upon n plus 1. It's clear? Now if we cannot write this as a set of x such that x belongs to n and x equals to n upon n plus 1. Now this set will be the infinite set. We have to stop this set. What is the last element? 7 by 8 and its denominator is 8. Now if we write here n is less equal to 8, means we'll take n as 8, and if we'll take n as 8, we'll get 8 plus 1, that is 9. But 8 by 9 is not there, so we have to stop n at 7. Getting? So n will be less equal to 7. So our set will be set of x such that x equals to n upon n, where n is less equal to 7 and n is natural number. This is very important. N is natural number. Understood? Now the next example, write the set 1, 1 by 4, 1 by 9, 1 by 16, 1 by 25 and so on in set builder form. Now clearly here also 1 belongs to set of natural numbers. Now the first element 1 upon 1, that is we have written 1 here. So 1 upon 1 we can write 1 upon 1 square. 1 by 4 we can write 1 by 2 square. 1 by 9 we can write 1 by 3 square and so on. So here clearly we have the elements in the form 1 upon n square, where n belongs to set of natural numbers. So we can write the set as a set of x such that x equal to 1 upon n square, where n is from set of natural number. Now the third example, write the set 5, 25, 125, 625 in the set builder form. Now 5 we can write as a 5 raised to 1, 25 we can write as a 5 square, 125 we can write as 5 cube, and last one 625 we can write as a 5 raised to 4. So clearly this all elements are in the form 5 raised to n, where n equals to 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so the set will be set of x such that x equals to 5 raised to n, where 1 less equal to n less equal to 4 and n belongs to set of integer. When there are few quantities are there for representing this n, then we can write directly n equals to 1, 2, 3, 4. But if there are more than 5, 10 numbers, then we should write the n in between the numbers, like 1 less equal to n less equal to 4. Understood? Now the fourth example, now we have to write 0, the set having element 0 in the set builder form. Now if we'll ask you the question how to write 0, how to represent 0, how to write means you can write 0 easily, but how to represent 0 in set builder form. So 0 is a, we can write 0 in set builder form as set of x such that x is solution of x plus n equals to n, where n belongs to set of real numbers. See student, if we'll take any real number n, then x plus n equals to n. When we'll shift this n to right hand side, we are getting x equals to n minus n, that is x equals to 0. So for the solution of x plus n equal to n, will have the value of x is 0. So we are getting this 0 element in this set. The only solution of x for this equation is 0. Understood? Now if you will not get this point, you can write 0 as a non-negative and non-positive real numbers, because we know that 0 is the only number in real numbers which is non-negative and non-positive. In non-negative numbers we can consider 0 onwards, that is 0 to infinity we can consider. Okay, means all positive integers, positive real numbers will consider, and non-positive real numbers means minus infinity to 0, all numbers will be there. Means 0 is there in all non-positive and non-negative. So 0 is the only real number which is non-negative and non-positive. Understood? Now we'll see the fifth example. Here we have to write this set which is given in roster form in set builder form. Now student, clearly it is the all elements are natural numbers. So we can write the set of x such that x belongs to natural numbers and x is in between 9 to 16, means 9 strictly less than x less than 16, or we can write this condition as a 10 less equal to x less equal to 15, because here we will consider 10 and 15 in this set, and x is strictly greater than 9 and strictly less than 16. This we can write as a 10 less equal to x less equal to 15. Understood? So thank you students for watching this demo lecture 1 part 2 of mathematics.